walking with my girls. We're having a kind of piece of forest in the town, small town, Irpin, in Kiev region. It was raining during the night and now I'm a bit dirty. But the weather is awesome, I love it. Not hot, not cold, just amazing. And perfect just to walk and relax, but it's impossible to relax during the walk with my dogs. Because if I will let them just run, Busia come to me when I'm calling her, but Lola just pretends she doesn't hear me and she has her own errands to go around. Yeah, every girl, as every person, has its own character. I definitely have to go for a walk alone today just to enjoy the weather and nature. We had a walk, came back home, and girls took shower. Now they are clean, fresh, and smell good. Time to have coffee and wait for a pizza. My junior son went. I'm already doing laundry. My junior son went to get pizza for what? For brunch. Hello. Have a good day. Now I'm going to get a Descartes tarot card for my audience in Instagram. There are a couple of what kind of less than 100 people, but anyway, maybe it will help someone to get the right vibe of the day and to act correctly. The card for you from this wonderful deck. The card, it's like advice or hint on something or just awareness of something. So let's get a card for you for this weekend. Let it be weekend card. What you should know for this weekend. 5 of Wands. There can be some discussions, some arguments even, or even some fighting to get something. Can be anything, just like getting Lola. Just perfect time and perfect place to do it after you took a shower. So just be ready to get into some hot discussions or fighting for your interests. Have a good weekend. Well, one more take. Today is Saturday, the 5th of October, and I'm really inspired to cook some delicious food for my family, for my kids. And it's just perfect time, I guess, in autumn to cook classic apple pie with cinnamon. So I decided to do it today. Thanks God I'm having an oven already and can cook it. And anyway, I mean anything, because we have lived in rented flat in Kiev during 2 years, and the old one there was broken, so I couldn't cook there, and I'm happy I have such a opportunity. So apples are ready, and also we'll have very tasty soup. Excellent in cooking soups. It smells so good with thyme and spices. Really, really cool. time to make off. Yes, I already cut my cut. I already cut my finger while it's dough on the plaster while cutting apples for my pie. So I like this grain so good. I'm going to make coffee while my pie is cooking. Yeah, I have to clean the glass already. You are right. Good. Now focus things. Today I'm just such a good mom. This is gonna be a soup, and now it's in the process of. Oh my god, my English is ugly. It's how's it in English? Just the soup without veggies and all other ingredients except meat. And apple cinnamon pie is there. Because of this pie, I cut my finger, but it's nothing. Well, it's ready and it's delicious. I added a bit of black pepper and sour cream. It's really amazing, delicious, aromatic soup. And the pie, of course, the pie. Apple cinnamon pie. I think I will cover it with this sweet powder, and just gorgeous, very good. I'm glad. Now looks better. So I'm gonna enjoy some amazing. Bon appetit to me. Why not have coffee at what time is it now? 7 p.m. Kind of. Not too okay. Not too strong coffee to fall asleep in time. Lavender milk, by the way. I use lavender milk. It's like usual, just a milk with lavender seeds boiled, and this milk. But not for everyone, you know. It's just for people with not ordinary taste. It's my friend just can't drink such a coffee on lavender milk, but I adore. Looks so good. Coffee and pie. My friend sent me the whole box of sweets, and I had a pie. Hello. Now it's coffee and felt like it's not enough of sweets, so I decided to taste. Well, it's like just for a long time. Oh, this is how my day is coming to an end. See ya. I love it so much, really. So easy to do coffee or anything. Okay. Or just hot water for my кисель. I don't know how it's in English. Кисель. Let's do it.